Hey there, LinkedIn enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your professional life easier. Today, we're diving into something straightforward yet super impactful: how to edit your LinkedIn URL directly from the mobile app. This is episode 725, and we're keeping it fresh for 2025. Why bother? A customized URL makes your profile look more professional, easier to share, and helps you stand out in a sea of generic links. So, let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open the LinkedIn app. Make sure you're logged in. Easy enough, right? Once you're in, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page. Now, look for the Edit button, usually right next to your profile info. It's like giving your digital resume a quick facelift. Next, scroll down a bit until you see the section for your public profile and URL settings. Tap on that. You'll find your current URL displayed, something like linkedin.com/in/yourname. To edit it, hit the Edit Public Profile or Customize URL option. LinkedIn might prompt you to choose a unique vanity URL, so think of something memorable, like your name or brand. Keep it professional and under 30 characters to avoid any issues. After you've entered your new URL, double-check for typos because once you save, it might not be easy to change back immediately. Hit Save or Apply, and voila, your URL is updated. It usually takes a few minutes to reflect changes, so give it a second. One quick tip: if you're having trouble, make sure your app is updated to the latest version for 2025 features. This simple tweak can boost your networking game, whether you're job hunting or building your personal brand. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.